To manage notifications on MyFitnessPal app, firstly open the app, move to the profile. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click at the right top corner on the circle here, move this bar and you can see here push notifications. In this way you can see I receive a new message, I receive a new friend request, someone writes on my wall, and you can see different options. You can disable notification during certain hours, and in this way you have to turn it on and turn it off. And you can disable notification to certain hours. In that working hours you will not get any notification from MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.